I recently saw a meme that asked, are you even a parent if you don't have one of those gift bags filled with gift bags? Hello, I'm Allie, the literary sewist. Here in my crafting castle, I normally create projects inspired by the books I read. But today in this video, I want to show you 5 different ways that we can make this bag of gift bags disappear. We will replace them with cute and reusable handmade packaging that the person you're gifting to will love and appreciate. Now, let's go sew. Before we get started, the first 3 I'm going to show you will be demonstrated in mini sizes, but you can make them in any size that you want. Apply interfacing to the main fabric. For the straps, fold in half lengthwise and press. Fold the raw edges into the middle and press, and then set aside. Right sides together, sew both the long sides and one short side of the lining. Repeat for the main fabric. Top stitch the open side of both straps. Pull the corners out, lining up the seams. Mark 1 inch down from the corner stitches. Sew along the line mark, then cut off the excess. Repeat for the remaining 3 corners. Turn the main fabric right sides out. Push the lining into the main fabric, then line up the seams. Tuck in the raw edges between the main and the lining. Sandwich the ends of the straps between the lining and main. Make sure they are placed evenly on both sides. Top stitch 1/8 inch from the edge. Apply interfacing to the main fabric. For the straps, fold in half lengthwise and press, then fold the raw edges into the middle and press. Now set aside. Right sides together, sew both long sides and one short side of the main fabric. Repeat for the lining fabric. Top stitch the open side of the button loop. Within the seam, mark a 1 inch square at each corner of the main and lining, then cut out the squares. Pull open the corners, lining up the seams and clip together. Make sure the bottom seam folds the same direction on each side. Sew the corners with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn the main fabric right sides out, pushing the lining into the main fabric, then line up the seams. Tuck the raw edges between the main and the lining. Sandwich the button loop between the lining and the main. Make sure there is enough room for the button to fit into it. Top stitch 1/8 inch from the edge. Fold the top over to mark the button placement. Then sew your button on. Place one ribbon on the end 1 inch away from the edge. Apply glue to the edge. Fold over at the ribbon and press in place. Repeat for the opposite end. Fold in half, wrong sides together. Apply glue to the edges and press. Thread each ribbon through the opposite casing. The ends should come out on the opposite sides. Knot the ends together and pull to tighten.
How are you doing so far? Let me know down in the comments below how you like to gift wrap your presents, or will one of these options become your new gift-giving DIY? These next two options are from two of my favorite designers. This will be an overview sew so you can get an idea of how it's made. The full step-by-step tutorial will be inside the pattern itself. I'll leave links in the description below so you know exactly where you can grab a copy of the pattern for yourself.
This won't be the last Moments by Liz pattern you'll see me recommend. Snap It Up was the first pattern to draw my attention to these fabulous designs. Its unique shape and ease to make was right up my alley. This is one of the free patterns Liz has made available in her Facebook group for members. There are a couple others there as well, so I highly recommend joining. But also make sure to visit the Etsy shop for all of the incredible patterns, from the Zip and Go laptop bag to the Box It Up case, and my personal favorite, the art book. You can see my Way of Kings inspired art book I made from her patterns here. I will have links for everything available in the comments for you, and there are tons of great gifting ideas. Go check them out. The Pandora dice bag is just about the cutest dice bag pattern around. I wouldn't expect anything less from Xandria's unique designs for So Much Magic patterns. Pandora is a notch above the basic dice bag with more structure and its original style. Inside her Facebook group, she even provides a hack for turning this bag into a carryable purse. And while it is designed to be a dice bag, I've been making them to use as gifts for friends. Pandora is the perfect size for those smaller, thoughtful gifts. I've loved how easy this pattern is to make. Zan's instructions are always super easy and clear to understand. If you'd like to see me sew the Pisces heart bag from So Much Magic Patterns, pop on over here. I have a full tutorial as well as the video on why this adorable heart-shaped handbag was inspired by the book Instant Karma by Marissa Meyer. Pandora is pretty easy, Pisces was a little bit more difficult, but I'm not a bag maker per se, so if I can make it, so can you. I'll make sure to leave links for her pattern shop and the Facebook group in the comments. Go join the So Much Magic Patterns group and let Zan know I sent you.
Now that we have the packaging, it's time to go wrap some presents. I love DIY gifts, and this is just a few ways that you can make them extra special. If you're excited to make one or more of these for your next present, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. While you're in the gift-giving mood, pop on over here for even more gift-giving ideas. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for future installments of my bookish sewing goodness. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified every time there's a new video available. See you next time.